Hey, we're live.
What's up? We're live.
Welcome to Photofox Live. I am Stav. I am the head of social media here at Lightrix. Lightrix is actually the company behind Enlight Photofox and Enlight Video Leap. If you're into video editing, then you also know about our video editing app. And this here is Joseph.
Hello, I am Joseph. I am the visual artist at Lightrix, and we are very happy to be here with you.
So we go live every now and then to show you guys how to do cool things with the app, how to create art, to answer your questions live. So if you have anything that you want to ask, just write us in the comments, and we are checking right now as we go along. And usually we do some sort of tutorial and show you how to create a certain look. Today we have a special edition where we're going to be doing a Photofox battle. So what that means is we have an image, and it doesn't mean this, although I would kick your ass.
It's like this. It's like this.
And so we're each going to be editing the same photo, and you are going to vote on which one you think is the best. So I'm going to win, but
All right.
I'll let you go first.
Okay. Thank you for your mercy. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Let's see what is the initial image that we're going to be working with. It's actually pretty cool how people did so many cool stuff with such a simple image, right? And that's the whole point, I think. This is where creativity kicks in.
We have a few hellos. I just want to say hi. We have Miguel Burgess is saying he loves Photofox. Hi, Miguel. Thank you for watching us. We have A.G. Nagon. We have a few names I can't read.
Yeah.
We have Dana Howard.
Dana Howard.
Saying hello. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you have any questions about how to use the app, we can show you along the way. We can maybe insert it into the image that Joseph is going to edit.
Yeah.
And we have Dude Mendez, Mohammed from Indonesia. We have a lot of people watching right now.
I really want to go to Indonesia, by the way.
Yeah.
That's one of my dreams.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
All right.
So let's get started with the...
Yes.
So the Photofox battle is actually, we put one up every Sunday. We put an image up on our Facebook page, and you can download it for free. Just save it and edit it however you want. And people do really, really cool things. So we're going to take that Sunday Photofox battle image, and we're going to do a battle between ourselves.
Yeah. Hell yeah. All right.
So this is the image.
This is the image, and it's a very nice image, actually. You know, it's kind of a rainy day over the water. So what I have in my mind is something that I wanted to do, a long time ago. Anyway, I think it's a very cool effect. So I'm gonna try to see how it goes. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe not, but let's hope. Let's hope for the best. So the first thing, of course, I'm gonna change the ratio here in Tools, Canvas. I'm gonna go to Fixed Ratio, and I'm gonna change this. This is my favorite ratio. It gives me the full canvas to work on. So, okay, let's put it something like this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to create an effect like we are seeing under the water. Like this is the surface of the water. I'm gonna create the underwater and above the water. Okay, so for that, I'm gonna first of all go to layers and then transform. And I hope you're ready to go down, Stav.
You can try.
Now I'm gonna try. So by transforming, I'm making this smaller, and that's gonna give me more space to create what's gonna be under and over. Okay. Now I'm gonna add a transparent layer, and I'm gonna fill it with color. I feel like I need a base color. So something like this, and I'm gonna put it underneath. Okay, now I'm gonna erase this part.
Do you want to tell us what kind of look you're going for, or do you want us to wait and maybe guess even?
I think it's kind of hard to explain with words.
Maybe if you guys have any ideas what Joseph is going for, so you should write in the comments, and maybe you will guess it right.
Maybe.
Maybe you can predict the future.
Okay, now I'm gonna add something cool for the underwater image. So I was thinking maybe I could add a manta raya. That's it. That's in Spanish, manta raya, and maybe that's the name. Yeah, it is the name. It is the name. Actually, this is a very cool animal.
So Joseph just added that with the search function within the app. So if you go into that second icon along the top, you can search photos, free stock photos, free to lose, not lose, free to use.
Yeah.
So that's a pretty cool feature that Photofox has that is super helpful. They're high resolution images. You don't have to feel bad because you're stealing them from Google Images.
Yeah, exactly. So it's a win-win situation. Here we are. Here we have this animal, but I want to see more of it, so I'm gonna transform even a little bit more. And also by doing this transform thing, we're creating the illusion that we're actually really seeing it from here. You know, like this is what's happening when it's like bigger. Then it seems to be like when seeing it from above. But by doing this, we kind of raise the perspective to here, you know, to eye level. So something like that feels kind of right. It doesn't look natural, but wait for it. Let's add another image. We need a sky. We need something to put over there. So sky. What happens if we look for sky? And then we have here very cool images. Not what I'm looking for. And this is a nice clean sky that we could use. So I'm gonna put it under the water like this, on the water layer, and we put it something like here, maybe a little bit bigger, and now it looks like an island, like actually an island. Maybe this could be bigger. Maybe we could make it like this a little bit more. Okay, now we have the base. Now we need to create the effect that is actually something organic that we're seeing. So it's never gonna be so straight, right? So we need to take this and we're gonna go to reshape, and we're gonna start making like these kind of curves, you know, to make it look like it's actually moving around. And it kind of looks more natural.
You're gonna add a blending mode?
A blending mode where?
Like on this layer.
You wanna make me lose. That's what you're looking for, right?
No.
With your blending mode. I know you. I know you. You're not gonna do it. You're not gonna do it.
You do what you think is right, okay?
Yeah, alright. I'm gonna add this line. Okay, I don't know how to explain what I'm gonna do right now, but you will see it.
You're taking the color.
I'm taking
right,
the
you're
color.
you're using the color picker.
You're gonna be the anchor.
I'll translate, yeah.
I need this to be, you know, a little bit kind of, I need this to be blurry, you know. So maybe here we can do some blending mode.
See?
Maybe.
That's basically what I meant. You needed a blending mode at some point. I was not trying to make you. You can think whatever you want.
No, I'm sure you want me to.
I don't mind if you lose.
You don't mind if I lose. All right.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna blend these with this. So I'm gonna merge it because I don't need the background anymore. And I'm gonna merge these two images. That's actually not what I wanted.
Yeah, when you're merging, it's important to think about the order that you merge. Otherwise, you'll get right. Yeah. Otherwise, you can switch the top between the bottom.
Yeah. Sometimes sometimes when you have a layer that has a blending mode over the layer beneath, and then you don't blend it, you don't blend this with that, then it's gonna lose the blending mode. If you're merging, like for example, here I have this, which is in normal, then I have this layer on multiply, and this is in normal. So if you blend these two, you're gonna lose that blending mode. You understand? So you gotta first blend the multiply with the normal that is under, and then you can keep going. But don't worry,
that's
I'm gonna
like
show
advanced.
You. Yeah, I'm too advanced. Wait, I think I'm getting somewhere here. Okay, now I have blur, but I'm gonna erase the effect from the sea, and I'm gonna keep it here. Why am I doing this? Because now it looks more natural. The line that's connecting the water and the underwater. You see? Now it looks better. We can play with it a little bit more. Make it a little bit more blurry. Okay. Now we need to fix the color a little bit. So let's go to adjust, raise the structure a little bit and contrast. Okay, that's more interesting.
Mm-hmm. I feel like there should have been a timed competition.
A time?
Yeah.
What do you mean a time?
Like a timed competition. Like
That's
you
right.
have 5 minutes to create the best edit out of this photo.
I
think that's what we should make it into right now.
In the theory, that's what should happen, right?
Do you think it's too late?
But I think it's too late. You know what? Let's do it when
Mine
we
will be
start.
timed?
Yeah, in
Fine,
yeah.
I can take that on.
You can take that?
Yeah.
Wow. All right.
See what you're up against. You're starting to shake.
Yeah, I'm starting to shake. I am.
Michael Connor, our friend, is saying, Joseph, go in deep water with blending modes. See, he's also suggesting blending mode. I think that's what you do.
Going in deep waters with blending modes. That's what I'm doing.
Ah.
That's what's happening.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm gonna start blending these images. Like I was telling you. This we'll go with this. Anyway, there is no blending modes in here, and this I don't need anymore, so I can erase it. Okay. And now let's just make it look a little bit better.
Have any of you guys tried the Photofox battle yet? Which is basically just this image with the water. And we posted on Sunday. If you didn't see it, you can check it on our Facebook page, and you can see a lot of people created really cool stuff.
Yeah, I was actually checking it, and
yeah,
it's
people
really
are
nice.
very creative.
I feel like with the time, it's very cool to see how people really start to progress, and how you see the same people posting.
Yeah, and they get better and better.
And they get better and better.
Yeah, we're watching you. Not to be creepy, but we're definitely watching you. We have a comment from Oliver Jenkins. Hey guys, you both good? Remember Pineapple Rocks?
Pineapple Rocks.
That was the Pineapple Glitch tutorial that we did.
Yes.
Michael Connor is suggesting that we do a tutorial on blending modes because there's a lot to learn. I agree with you. I have a lot to learn about blending modes. I feel like I know.
Just about blending modes?
I feel like I know a lot about multiply, and that's it. That's where my knowledge stops. Ooh.
I'm just going crazy.
Yeah.
Sorry. I think I'm done.
I think that's it. Let's save the photo and pass it over.
So it kind of looks real, I think. All right. Your turn.
My turn. Okay.
Let's see what you got. This is a breakdance. No, it's a Photofox break edit battle. I think we need a title.
Yeah, I'm just gonna win. So we're gonna start with the image right here, and I'm gonna add another photo layer, and I'm going to just search for some sort of desert photo.
All right.
How do you feel about that?
I'm starting to shake a little bit.
Yeah. I'm gonna take this one.
She's using the desert
The desert.
card.
Pulling the desert card. I'm gonna go back and turn this one around because I want it to be sort of as if the rain is falling, as if it's like raindrops in the sky rather than raindrops falling on the lake. I'm gonna go back to here because I want to erase so that it actually becomes the sky.
So you're getting surrealistic.
Yeah.
All right.
I think I'm good. Maybe I just wanna
Maybe you can put it up.
reposition this a little bit
Yeah.
more. And I think that's good.
Yeah, maybe even a little bit up.
A little bit more.
Rafael Domínguez says, saludos chicos, es una estupenda app, siempre la uso. Well, hello Rafael, gracias por tu comentario y estamos muy contentos de que te gusta el app. En verdad es muy buena, es excelente. Yo la uso todos los días, realmente. Where are you from, Rafael? I'm interested.
Somewhere that speaks Spanish.
Yep.
I'm gonna look for a bird flying, maybe this one. Should I try this one?
That's a nice bird.
What do you think? Go to erase. Ooh.
So there's a bird flying in the middle of the desert with a sea in the sky that it's dropping.
It's a sea that's actually an ocean. Yeah. If you guys have any questions, by the way, about how to use a certain tool or anything like that, Joseph is the master, so he has total control over the user comments right now, so you could just ask him that.
Steve Coleman says, let battle commence.
Ah, yeah.
LOL.
We did. Okay.
All right.
Now
what is gonna happen? It's starting to look cool, actually.
thank you.
The
You
composition.
didn't believe.
That bird is actually pretty cool.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna put him here.
Maybe something with the
And
background.
maybe I will do something with glitch.
Oh, you're using the glitch. Oh,
So
with the bird?
if you guys didn't
Or you're
check
gonna do it
out
with the background?
glitch yet, I think I'm gonna do something with the background. So okay, so then I have to go here actually. So I want to apply glitch to this one. Ooh,
Nice.
kind of want to get it right like that. That looks cool, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tap the check mark.
She's using the glitch. She's very aggressive right now.
And then
She
I
wants to win.
think I also wanna, no, what do I wanna do? Maybe I'll merge them.
Yeah, you're trying to make the glitch effect all over the image.
I was thinking about.
All right. I see what
I'm
you're
very
going.
into glitch right now. So I'm gonna tap that layer, I'm gonna tap glitch, and then try and do something cool with glitch. That's kind of cool. It's a little radioactive for me.
What about these presets? All right. Yeah.
Oh, this one's cool.
That's nice. That's nice.
I might be able to win. I hope you're getting scared.
I am a little bit scared.
So I can do something psychedelic, or I can tone the slider down and do something like that, which is kind of cool.
Maybe add a little bit more. It's kind of hard to see the effect. Yeah.
I think I want this.
Yeah, go crazy.
No, I don't want to go crazy.
You're already too crazy right now.
I like to, yeah.
That's nice.
Okay, we're gonna stick with this. I'm gonna tap the check mark.
Wait a second.
And
there's a lot
then,
of people saying stuff
see,
here.
you're not playing.
I'm gonna focus here. You focus on your stuff.
They're saying that now the water subject is gone, so it's kind of like.
Rafael
Let's
says
see what he's saying.
Rafael is from Mexico,
Good to know.
and he uses the app to a lot of stuff related to music, to his music. He's a musician. Okay.
Ah, you should post your links in the feed. Maybe
we wanna see
someone.
stuff.
Yeah, we
Yes.
want to see what you're up to. All right, I'm gonna go to darkroom, just like you taught me.
All right.
Go to no, what do you do? Film. That's what you do. Hold on, I'm not going to darkroom. I'm gonna go to film.
And filter. You're gonna add some filter, maybe.
I did add a filter.
Yeah.
You can't tell.
I lost that part.
You missed
All right.
it. I'm
There's
gonna go
also
to film, fade, make it a little bit old school. A
Nice.
tiny bit of green, but not too much. I think mine came out better than yours. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think I'm pretty much done. I also did mine faster.
Yeah.
And I think it's better.
Yeah. Okay. It's nice.
So you decide who the visual artist
I have
is.
to admit.
And I think that's pretty much it.
Wait a second. There's people he's saying stuff like Ernesto. He's sending regards from Cuba.
Hi,
From
Ernesto.
Cuba. I think this is the first Cuban that we had in the program. So hello, and welcome. When will you do a double exposure portrait tutorial? Actually, it's been a while since we didn't do.
Yeah,
this
maybe
double
we should.
Yeah, it's never bad to do a double exposure. To keep the it's always
Keep
trendy.
that alive.
Keep that
Yeah.
alive. And there is somebody speaking in a language that I don't understand, but it's something connected to you, Stav. So you say, hey,
Yeah, I think it says you're very creative. I don't know what language it is, but it looks close enough to that. Anyway, these are our official, this was the original image. This is Joseph's, this is mine.
Damn.
You guys can decide who wins, me. And that's it. We're actually going to be following up with an Insta story, and you can actually vote there on the poll. And I think that's it for now. So thank you so much for tuning in.
Thank you so much.
And if you have any other questions, just write them in the comments below. We'll answer them another time. And that's it. Have a good week.
Bye.